Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be reviewing a little book called Fortune and Feng Shui, the 2021 Year of the Metal Ox for the Rat, which I'm a rat. So Lillian Too came up in a conference that I went to, and I looked into it, and I really liked her work. So I picked up this thing to kind of give me some information about what's my astrological forecast in Chinese astrology, which I have shared a review of a Chinese astrology book. I'm familiar with the topic, but I'm not familiar with how they're doing their horoscopes. So I check my Western horoscope basically daily through a variety of really good sources, like Chani has a new app, and Kiara Stellar on Patreon is just amazing. She's on Instagram too. You can get a lot of really good information there for free. So tons of good information. I like Cafe Astrology, Astro.com, AstroDinus, tons of information for Western astrology, but I didn't have any resources for Eastern astrology. This book was amazing. It went through very simply, like, you know, what the forecast for the year looks like for me, what do I need to worry about in different sections of my life, romance, health, wealth, you know, success, opportunities, all that other stuff. Who's going to be allies, who's going to be enemies, what to look out for, what kind of energy we have going on. It went through in general for the year, personally for rat, and then even deeper dive for like rats born in this year. So for me, 1984 is a wood rat year. What does it mean for me specifically? What does it mean for relationships? And then what does it mean month by month? So it was a very sweet little book. I highly recommend it. I am going to be doing a plan. I'm going to include this in my planner reviews next year because it's just that good. I use it a lot. I refer to it fairly often because it has a monthly forecast. So every month when I'm doing my other like monthly tarot spread, I check this out. Good information. So I highly recommend it. They have for each Chinese astrological sign. And Lillian Too is a really well-respected feng shui practitioner. Writes lots of books, very respected in her community. The only thing I will say is that they recommend some cures that are very specific to each year and kind of expensive, and that they sell on their website. You don't have to do any of that crap. You can just look up in general, like, how would I enhance this section in Feng Shui, and it'll tell you, like, you know, put a houseplant here or put a mirror there, and it's so much cheaper and easier. So take that with a grain of salt. Like, if this is a year about, in general, this is a year where friendships and foes are very, very important. It's a very competitive year, and so you should really keep your friends close and be really wary of betrayal. And so they're like, oh, to prevent betrayal, you know, do this. But you could also carry a saint card in your wallet, or you can make a sigil against betrayal that you could put on your backpack or whatever. There's lots of different options for you to be mindful of that energy working against you without having to buy an $80 plaque for your desk. So that's the one downside, but I still highly recommend it. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.